Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Robert Fisher. I'm known as Bobby Fisher, and I'm introducing to you your Corp. Right now, there are 4.6 million small businesses in the United States that attribute to $6 trillion in sales revenue that also then turn into an allocation of $1.75 billion used for marketing and advertising costs. And while there are many opportunities out there for marketing and advertising, the actual results are very hard to define, at least in what I have been able to grab from the surveys that I've done in small businesses. The thing is every small business I've talked to said word of mouth references was their most valuable asset. So, right now, this is the situation we're dealing with. These are the three ways that a company can look to actually gain traffic. Loyalty, my loyalty, through some medium of marketing or advertising, and of course through incentives to return. The thing is how do they offer this right now? And right now there are many sources, but they are very costly. And right now our current economic climate requires us to grow our small business ventures. And with that, they need to be able to compete against the large corporations. Large corporations have large and huge market reaches. They have IT capabilities that are way beyond small businesses. Their loyalty programs are extensive, and they also have event coordination that drives revenue traffic into their companies. And those are wonderful, but we got to get small businesses up to that level. So here's where Your Corp comes in. Your Corp is actually going to be a system very similar to the user interface or the using of, say, I don't want to use another system, but there are many systems out there that we use. I personally use Facebook myself. What it would be is it would house my social networks, and it would also house the small business networks. The small business and the users would sign up. The small business would define their need. How much do they currently spend on marketing? We would ask them what their amount per customer is. They would define it. We would break that into shares. Those shares will be distributed by their loyal customers who are users on the system. Each one of those shares has a cost to it, which as they represent their loyalty to the small businesses on their social systems, they actually get compensated for their loyalties, creating a loyalty program and marketing system for a small business. Eventually, we would like to grow and utilize more resources. Small business administrations across the globe right now have many resources available to small businesses. The thing is small businesses are too busy doing business. So how are they going to get out there and actually find those resources unless we find a way to put it in one place? So I would like to market with them, and that's also how we would reach our potential client market. Right now, we're looking for $750,000 seed investment, which will go into development of the actual database system, the user interface. We would dedicate $100,000 of those funds to bonuses that we're going to utilize to incentivize new users to come on and also new businesses to come on to test the actual product in the database, make sure it's secure before we fully launch it. And at that point, our awareness in the market will be at a level where we believe it'll become infectious or at least viral. Thank you.